I was watching a video while you were on with Susan.
Is that what you were doing? Yeah.
And so I took the earpiece out so I could hear the video, and then I forgot to put it back in. So I'm good now. If you're talking to me,
this is me.
I can hear you.
I turn my phone down so it doesn't interrupt anyone, and then I think to myself later in the day, you know, no one's called me. And I get this text from my kid, Mom, are you okay?
Right? Is everything okay? Yeah. Haven't heard from you. Yep.
All right, we got to go to the Cardi party because you loved it as much as I love it when I look at it. It's top rated, but today's the day to definitely put it in the cart and check out because the price is going up at the end of the day. That is beautiful on you, Angel.
This
really
is the new
pretty.
color.
Wow.
That light navy.
That light navy is new this year. Well, here's the light navy, as you could see on Angel. Here's the black. And do they have the same colors?
Pretty much.
Pretty much the same. We'll show you the cool buttons. Here's the new navy color. Here is, oh, look at the French blue.
Pretty. Oh, I love that with the pink.
Oh, yeah. So feminine.
So feminine.
So spring. And then last but not least, look at the orchid. That's beautiful too. 100 remain in the orchid. And just so I quickly don't forget it, you're going to find these buttons are going to be, are they different on each one or they just pick up the color?
I think we may have color coordinated them.
Okay.
So they are different. Yeah, that's a little blue. On the orchid, it's a little purpley.
More orchid.
Yeah, this will probably be smoky. Yes. Smoky blue. Yeah.
Okay. All right, my friend.
So 100% cotton. Beautiful printed detail. You've been loving our prints. So, you know, being here for 30 years, of course, we'll show footage of it at some point, but the very first item Jean presented on QVC was a shirt, cotton shirt, with button covers and an applique, right? And so from there, we've gone on to do so many things. We've had denim in the past. Now you love our dream jeans, so we do dream jeans. You love our embroidery, you love our dangles, you love our rhinestones. So how can we build on that?
Exactly.
Adding prints to that layer that is Quacker. And you have been loving them. So our team continues to seek out ones that are gorgeous, that are vibrant, that stand out. This is that. And Pat, I know that you're an avid gardener.
Yes.
But for me, this is my favorite type of garden.
It's your favorite type of garden. I'll tell you what, these are like our sun patients that we had from Roberta's. That's today's special value. Just that blanket, that tapestry of color is what you have here. And I love so much about this that you didn't stop just here. It continues on the sleeve. It continues all the way around the back. Here,
let me
twirl again.
Show it on Kalani. She looks way cuter than me.
No, you look very, very good. I like it. Keeps your focus up high.
Yes.
And then it just, you know, a cheap version of this would just cut it off right here.
That's true.
Look at the way that it dangles as if these are vines hanging over. Beautiful.
I love it. Absolutely stunning. The colors are vibrant too. So if you're not like a bright color person, you could get the navy or the black, but there's still bright colors within the print.
Exactly.
To bring out that little pop of color up against your face. You know, Kalani's wearing this and you can really see that pink on the shoulder, almost like a corsage for Mother's Day.
Very nice.
Wearing this for Easter. What I love about this too, Pat, is that this gets us excited for spring.
Oh, definitely.
And so, but you can wear it as soon as you get it home and beyond.
Kulani is our petite today, and it is nice to see her. We haven't seen her for a while.
Yes.
5'2". She wears a small for us. You can stay in your true size.
Yes.
Now, Angel, if someone was just shopping with us in Graver and they buy Kim Gravel and they buy Denim & Company, Quacker is the same size.
Yes. None of our things are fit tight. You know, most of them are semi-fitted, if not roomy. So if you're in between sizes, you could decide whether you want to go up or down. Well, and I have a point with that later with Luann because she can wear a multitude of sizes depending upon the item. Same for me. But if you're wearing Denim & Company in a size large, stick with a Quacker large.
All right, the length, and when we give you the length, we give you center back is 26.5 inches for the double extra small to 28 5/8. 1X, the center back length is 29 to 30 3/4. I wish everyone could feel the 100% cotton.
I know. Feel a vision.
Yes. Well,
when are they going to come up with that?
I don't know, when I retire, probably. And I'm not going anywhere, so I'm gonna have to wait. And I love that these are not buttons, they're snaps,
they're
right?
Snaps, which I love too because, you know, having longer nails, sometimes the teeny tiny buttons. Glenn, my husband, always comes up to me and says, here, can you button
for
this
his
for
shirts.
me on his
Yeah.
dress shirts, and then you should see me. It's kind of ridiculous. With my big man hands and my long fingernails, I'm like, right? It takes me a minute. Oh, and then now, of course, I need readers. You guys have seen me grow
Welcome
up.
to
I
my
started
world.
here as a model when I was 21, 22 years
Is that
old.
how old you were when you started?
Yes.
Because realize that Angel has not only been a guest, but she's been a wonderful host for us for years. And you used to do makeup.
Yep, for Jean. I used to do Jean's makeup, and that's how I started doing more of her shows. We became very friendly. And I will tell you a little funny story.
Yeah, please.
So the first time all the models were invited to go to their Quacker's 10th anniversary party. It was in Florida. My sister came with me, and we went to Jean's house. She said, come to the house, blah, blah, blah. I was like, okay. First time I went to her house, she was not wearing her signature headband. And I was like, it totally threw me for a loop, because I was like, oh, she's like, Angel, you haven't said anything. I'm like, Jean, you look completely different. It was just so fun. She just loved doing that, but that was her signature. And it was her signature for a long time. And here's why. It was her shtick, as we like to say in, communications and all that, but it was, she wanted to be referred to as the lady with the headband instead of the fat lady. Her words, not mine. Oh. Her words, not mine. When she owned a shop in Wisconsin, and people would call and say, oh, so-and-so was helping me. Well, could you describe the lady? I mean, she was really brilliant. Like, that was her thing. Oh, the lady with the headband. Everybody knew who she was.
Love it.
Love it indeed. Yep. A little funny story. I'll try to incorporate more throughout the show.
We want to hear them. We want to hear all of them. All right, 100% cotton knit, machine wash. Lay this one out flat to dry. This is the black, and if you wear a lot of black, guilty. Love black. This gives you all that color around your face, and you could always start to wear it with like a tighter turtleneck underneath, or even a pop of color in a t-shirt underneath. Yeah, I mean, look how good that looks. All right, here is Angel's navy blue, and then this beautiful color is French blue, and then the orchid is almost gone. Speaking of almost gone, the price is almost gone on this, and you can get it home for less than $20 if you're willing to use a credit card. You choose the credit card. If you want to go ahead, and I quickly ran back in the room because I was like, oh, forgot my Q card. If you want to use your Q card, that's 5 easy pays at about $12.
I like it.
Yep.
Got a budget.
I could be an accountant if they had just talked to me about clothing math.